In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove search engines from Chrome in just a few easy steps. If your Chrome browser has search engines you no longer want, or if you want to clean up your search settings, this tutorial will walk you through the process from start to finish. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click that menu, then choose Settings from the drop-down list. This will open the main Chrome settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with different categories. Click Search Engine. Then, on the right side, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This is where Chrome keeps a list of saved search engines and site search entries. Now you'll be able to see the search engines that are stored in Chrome. Scroll through the list and find the one you want to remove. This could be something like Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, or any other search engine you no longer want available in Chrome. Once you find it, click the three dots next to that search engine. A small menu will appear. From there, click Delete. Chrome will remove that search engine from the list right away. If you want, you can repeat the same steps for any other search engines or site search entries you don't need anymore. This is a simple way to keep your browser settings organized and make sure only the search engines you actually use are listed. And that's it. You've now removed the search engine from Chrome. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.